से दूर, खबरों से भरपूर।
I would also take this opportunity to welcome our special guest of the day, Muhammad Hedayatullah Gentle Sir. He is the President of Delhi Pradesh, All India Qawmi Tanzeem, Senior Member of the Congress Party, Executive Member of All India Muslim Mushawarat Delhi, Executive Member of Association of Muslim Professionals. He holds several positions in politics and member of various associations. He is actively involved in many of the social activity, and he was really struggling on the road to help the poor people when whole world was witnessing corona pandemic. He is a kind of the personality who are never afraid of his life if the country needs him. For his country is the most priority, and we have witnessed that when the time came, he has been seen cleaning garbages from the road by himself. Thank you so much, sir.